What's up you guys, this is your friend Glam Girl Megha. As you can see that there is a festive season just around the corner, so I'm here with my favorite red lipsticks because the red lipsticks are the heart of every festival. So I'm gonna share my favorite red lipsticks with you, so let's get into the video. I have not applied any lipstick because I just applied a lip balm. So let's see the first shade that I have for you. This is from NYX and this is the shade Monte Carlo. It's a beautiful red maroonish color. This will look fab especially on deeper skin tone. I'm going to apply this and show it to you. And the wand is perfect. The formula is creamy matte. So it's beautiful pinkish red, as you can see. Let's see the next shade. So the next shade is from MAC, the mini version, and the name of the shade is Russian Red. Beautiful red color. This goes well with my top as well. It's a beautiful red color. What do you guys think? The next shade is from Maybelline. Oh, I don't know whether this is available or not right now. This was in the crayon form, and this is in the shade red one. It's a beautiful maroonish red color and with a twist packaging. You can see how much I've used it already. It's applied and show to you. It's a beautiful maroon color. This will flatter all the skin tones. Let's see the next shade. So the next shade is from Faces Canada, Ultim Pro matte lip crayon in the shade Midnight Rose 12. It's a beautiful red color. It doesn't have a twist or packaging. You'll have to sharpen it, and it does come with a sharpener. I'll just show it to you. It's an orangish red color. What do you guys think about this? It's a beautiful red. And the next shade is again from Faces Canada. You must have seen me wearing this in one of my Faces Canada lip crayon video. This is in the shade Crushed Berry. It's a beautiful red color. And the packaging is beautiful. So I've already broken it. So I have to be very careful. I'll just remove this part. finish is good. Your staying power is also for 3 to 4 hours. Once you eat, it will definitely come out. So this is the shade. So this was the final shade. So that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you all like the lipstick and the lip swatches that I did for you, and hope it was helpful for you for the coming festive season. So guys, do give it a like for this video and share it with your friends. Subscribe to my channel, you know the drill, and click on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I will upload a new video. So I'm going to see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.